old Bruno school. I've got a big garden, and I've got beets ready to harvest and carrots ready to harvest, and I'm going to try to simplify
gathered up all the fittings I need. It helps to lay them out in the order that they're going to go together so that I can start gluing all at once. Got to cut and install a grate to keep the vegetables up above the air bubblers. Trial run with some beets out of the garden, still dirty. Going to put them in and let them soak for about 10 minutes before I turn the bubblers on.
By golly, I think it'll work. This is Buddy in the Arkansas Ozarks.